So, itong next na pupuntahan natin guys, I think na-film ko na to dati during COVID time. Naglakad kami dito. So, kung napapanood nyo yung dati kong video, you probably know this place. Familiar na sa inyo. So, here. Yan, bababa tayo doon sa baba. Marami doon mga birds. Nasa loob sila ng net. Tingnan nyo guys, yung mga turtle. Oops. Yung isa kumakain na yun. Lalaki. Meron pa isa doon, no, banda. Dito yung isa malaki rin. Ayan, no. Ayan, laki yung naglalaro yata. O, naglalaro ng bola. Hindi. Kumakain siya ng vegetables yung nasa kasabit. Ayan guys, kumakain. Ayan. Hi, turtle. Tortoise. Cute. Cute. Ito naman sila guys, kumakain. Isa naman doon natutulog. Yan sila, What is in here? Ito namang isa guys. What do you call this one here? The Brazos monkey. Hello monkey. Ayun niya gumalaw. Dito yung Ooh. Ayan. Lalaro sila. Oh, there you go. He's now moving this one. Where is he going? No, not looking at me. Dito kami guys sa ilalim ng tunnel. Tayo sa kabila. Ito ng mga dito. Go up. Medyo mainit guys. So ngayon titingnan natin yung mga birds. Natin dito. So this one I can't see. Nothing there. Oh, yan meron doon. Hindi lang siya makita. Hindi siya banda. Pasok tayo guys sa may flamingo. Tingnan natin. How do you do this? Ayan. Ang dami nila. Hindi ko alam kung ano to dito guys. Parang ano. Oh, there's white. What is that white thing?
I don't know. I think it's like a kangaroo. I'm not sure. Wallaby.
Never seen that before. Where's the entrance? This one or that one? Anywhere? Doesn't matter. Thank you. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Ang ganda ng mga orchids. Beautiful. Ano kayang halaman ito? Parang natutuyo na yung ibang orchids, oh. Ay, ang ganda ng kulay nito, oh. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Purple, white, blue. So cool. Ito kala ko kanina pineapple. Ganda. Tignan mo naman guys, ang ganda nito. So, yan yung garden ko. Maganda ba guys? No birds this time. Can't see.
Blue one now and a brown one.
There you have like a bird walking on this.
It's down there. Just sitting down.
Ayun guys, oh. Sa baba. Yun. Ito yung pagkain nila guys, oh. Puro mga busog na. Yun sa taas, oh. Laki ng puno na yan guys, oh. Taas. Ayun guys, look at them, they're eating their food. Ayan, oh. So guys, nandito kami sa may ano, Hong Kong Garden, right? This is Hong Kong Garden, Hong Kong Park. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami, where we get married. Ito dito. Yan. Diyan kami kinasal. Tapos, I think we have photo on that, over there or over here somewhere.
Different.
Yeah. It changed. Change na siya ngayon. May iba na yung ano, yung entrance niya, hindi ganyan. Yan. So dyan kami. I think we have photo somewhere in here.
There, but it's
That
different.
side.
They have flowers.
Yan. Ang ganda ng park na to. Ang ganda dito ng entrance dito. Yung Olympic dito sa Hong Kong. Ano na to guys, oh. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. Huh? This is a lots of seats here. Sit down. Ayan. Where's the turtle here? Ooh, I can see the turtle now. Look. That one there's swimming.
Can we take a picture?
要不然你会来过部门，你没有去。
It's more over here, actually. They're on top. Look at the fish, guys. Daming turtle dito, guys. Oh. Lots of fish in here. Look. Fishy. So, yan, guys. Laki ng pinagbago ng park na to. Pupunta naman kami dito lagi pero hindi ako masyadong kumbaga I'm not paying attention around it. Ngayon maganda na siya ngayon. Medyo busy kasi lunch time dito. Punta muna kami dyan, no? Sa ano na yan? Tea house.